Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best paint swirl remover is probably one of the most frustrating car problems to deal with, leaving your once pristine paint looking dull and marred. But fear not, fellow car enthusiasts. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of paint swirl removers, exploring various products and techniques to help you restore your car's paint to its former glory. We will examine different types of removers, from simple DIY solutions to professional-grade tools, and help you choose the best option for your specific needs and budget, ultimately guiding you to achieve a flawless, swirl-free finish. Number 5. Carfidant Scratch Remover. Say goodbye to light scratches and swirls. This kit makes fixing minor paint imperfections a breeze. Just use the buffer pad and specially formulated compound to restore your car's shine. It's more than just scratch removal, it restores your car's paint to its original brilliance. Watch water spots, oxidation, and other contaminants disappear, revealing a glossy finish. We use only the best, professional-grade chemicals. It's easy to use, yet effective, with no unnecessary dyes or scents, ensuring a safe and superior result. Safe for all paint colors and types, including clear coat, single stage, and multi-stage paints. It's the versatile solution for all your car's paint needs. Experience effortless and safe scratch removal. This product provides a simple yet effective way to improve your car's appearance. Carfidant is committed to quality. We're professionals and enthusiasts who developed this product, and we stand behind its effectiveness. We use it, and our friends do too. What we like. It's formulated with the best chemicals and comes with everything you need for easy scratch removal. If you value quality and convenience, and want a product made in the USA, this is the one for you. This kit is perfect for those who want professional results without the professional price tag. What people say. It removed most light scratches and swirls and definitely looks better where any large scratches or defects are present. Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover is an amazing product. It's simple to use, even for beginners, and quickly removes light scratches and swirl marks, leaving the paint looking shiny and refreshed. The formula is gentle yet effective, and the included polishing pad makes the process even easier. This car scratch remover cream is a lifesaver for light scratches and swirl marks. Easy to apply, it effectively restores shine and smoothness without professional help. Number 4. Carfidant Black Scratch Remover. It's specially formulated for black and dark-colored paint. You can safely use it on any clear coat, single-stage, or multi-stage paint. Easily fix light scratches and swirls. With the included buffer pad and compound, you can remove years of wear and tear. It removes swirls and scratches, restoring your paint's gloss and shine. It also removes water spots and oxidation. It uses only the best chemicals, no unnecessary dyes or scents. It's professional grade, yet easy for anyone to use. We're professionals and enthusiasts who developed this product. We believe in it 100%, and so will you. What we like. This is specially designed for black and dark-colored cars, ensuring it won't damage your paint. It's also easy to use and delivers amazing results. If you own a dark-colored vehicle and want to restore its shine, this is your best bet. What people say. The packaging. Solid and robust. The contents. A concoction of restoration magic, a microfiber cloth, and an easy-to-follow instruction guide. The process was surprisingly straightforward, and with a little elbow grease, we were off to the races. I kid you not, the scratch started to fade. This product did exactly what it says it does. The truck looks 100% better. It removed it covered up, almost all of the scratches and swirl marks on the paint. Number 3. Chemical Guys BUF 612 TORQX Polisher Kit. This kit is designed to easily remove scratches and swirls from your car's paint. It's perfect for restoring that showroom shine. It tackles light to moderate defects like swirls, scratches, and water spots. The included orange quantum hex logic pad helps achieve amazing results. The TORQX polisher offers simple controls and a durable build. You'll have the precision needed for various surfaces, from paint to polished metals. With the VSS one-step compound polish, you can achieve a stunning mirror-like finish. It cuts hard to remove defects, then polishes for a flawless look. This kit simplifies the process. You can remove scratches and restore shine in a single step, saving you time and effort. Get ready to experience the difference. This kit provides everything you need for a professional level polish. What we like. It offers complete control and precision for paint correction. If you're looking for professional level results and don't mind a slightly higher investment, this is the tool for you. This is ideal for those who want to tackle more significant paint imperfections. What people say. It is one of the few products where it is extremely user-friendly. This polisher buffer lets a weekend warrior have the ability to look like a professional. The unit itself is built very well. It is a very sturdy and well-balanced machine. Even on the lowest setting, you can handle this machine with one hand. The compounds are from chemical guys based out of California. Their products are probably some of the best that I have ever used. They are very user-friendly and have a great smell. Number 2. Chemical Guys COM_129_16 VSS. Say goodbye to swirls and scratches. This easy-to-use polish quickly removes defects and leaves a mirror-like finish in just one step. It restores a lustrous, scratch-free shine without hiding imperfections. It reveals the true beauty of your vehicle's paint. Perfect for light to moderate scratches and swirls, it cuts through tough imperfections and polishes to a brilliant shine, faster than multi-step processes. This powerful compound works hard, so you don't have to. Get professional-looking results with minimal effort. Chemical Guys is more than just a brand, it's a community of car lovers who appreciate quality products and exceptional support. Join the movement. What we like. It's a one-step solution that cuts through scratches and leaves a mirror-like shine. If you value efficiency and want a quick, easy way to restore your car's paint, this is perfect. This is great for those with light to moderate swirl marks and scratches. What people say. Removed scratches without any damage to the paint. Typical good Chemical Guys product. The product works perfectly. It's amazing. After claying the car and only having a cordless drill, needed a DA to get the final finish, I polished the car and the results are amazing. If I had a DA, all the scratches would have come out, but I got 99% out. Number 1. 3D Speed Car Polish. It's a premium all-in-one clear coat car polish and wax. This means you get paint correction and wax protection in a single bottle for ultimate convenience. It's an excellent scratch and swirl remover. It delivers minor paint correction for both small and large areas, restoring your car's finish. It restores your paint's color, depth, and gloss. Plus, it adds a long-lasting wax layer for superior protection. It's easy to apply by hand for smaller areas or with a polisher for larger areas. This makes it perfect for any size detailing job. It's made in the USA with over 25 years of experience in car care. You're getting a tried and trusted product of uncompromising quality. Individual results may vary depending on the condition of your car's paint. However, you can expect noticeable improvement in shine and scratch removal. What we like. It's an all-in-one solution that corrects scratches, adds a wax sealant, and is easy to apply. If you want a simple, convenient way to protect and restore your car's paint, this is a great choice. This is perfect for those who want a quick and easy solution for minor scratches and swirl marks. What people say. The work it makes for scratch removals are amazing when you finish the jobs, and just look at how the water repel of the cars are just like the car is recently painted LOL. The scratches are gone to the naked eye. I also used it on a spot where I had stupidly used a paper towel to wipe some dirt off a year or so ago, and it took the hazing right off. Would never know it was ever there. It wipes off fairly easily, but being an LSP, there is some resistance in wiping off the product once it hazes. Nothing close to the level of difficulty in removing an oily finishing polish, though. Also, the LSP beads really well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.